I have a vision for this area to be a succulent oasis. But the reality I'm looking at is weeds and leftover pots of flowers. Progress in this area will take some time. It will require a lot of weed pulling and heavy lifting. And it will require me to keep the end result, that original vision, in mind. I suppose the easy thing to do would be either to ignore it or to change my vision. To allow the current circumstances to doubt how much I'd love and find joy in that ideal dream. It can be easy to let the weeds take over the dreams of our life, to lower our expectation until the weeds become worse and worse, choking out more and more of the original vision. If you're not careful, you can let things go and lower your expectations, and the weeds only become more and more, choking out the original dream you had. And so I set my sights on my original vision, and I begin cleaning out the garden one weed at a time. The task is not an easy one. In fact, it's a bit overwhelming. But there is no other way to reach a dream except one step or one weed at a time. And so I plod along, keeping my original dream in mind, the one that includes a waterfall and a dry creek and a sanctuary to retire to in the evening. And I keep going. Do I question my age and ability to achieve my dream? Of course. Does it deter me? No. I will do what I can, always pushing myself closer to the end. As I sweep away the last of the weeds, my tired bones feel a sense of satisfaction. And with the hard part done, I head out to my local garden center. Not so much to buy anything, but to reinforce the vision that I have. To open my eyes to the possibilities of what can be. I never want my age to stop me from achieving dreams. Do I have physical limitations? Of course. Can I do the things that I could when I was younger? No way. But I can do something, and as long as I can do something, I will. I understand there's those of you out there who can't, who's physically you just are not able to pull the weeds, to move the pots, to rearrange the rocks. But there is something that you can do. My encouragement to you is to remember those dreams. It's true you may need to modify them to suit your physical ability. But that doesn't mean you give up on the dream. That just means you reimagine it. Did I finish everything that I thought I was going to finish today? No. I thought I'd have the rocks moved, some succulents planted, and a little bit of prettiness to show you. But the reality is that age does slow us down. Can't finish nearly what I could finish even 10 years ago. But I'm so proud of myself for starting, for getting this part done. What dreams do you have that may need to be modified to suit your physical abilities now, but that are still dreams that are achievable? My encouragement to you is to list those dreams and to take that first step to achieve them. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you haven't yet, I'd love to have you subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy this video. That's it for today. I'll see you next Friday.